Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is your boy DEFI again, and I would like to welcome you to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I would like you to like my videos, comment on my videos, subscribe to my channel, and also hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any video from me again. So you guys who have been with my channel for the past couple of days, I've been making tutorials and some videos about DeFi staking platform. And in today's video, I just want to show you guys how I did about 376% ROI in just 5 days with DSP token. And guys, this platform is so incredible. I don't know, even I'm lost of words to say about it. So as you can see here, the auction ends in about 6 hours. So you can come in, rush in and buy some tokens using your Tron. And there is I'm going to leave the referral link in the description of the video. Remember, if you use someone's link, even if you don't use mine, even if you use for someone else, you get 5% discount on your purchased tokens. And if you use my link, I'll appreciate that, because I'll get 10% of what you buy. So guys, let me jump in. I'm going to go to my stakes here, and I'm going to use only one stake, the first stake that I did ever in this platform, which started on day 3. Remember, on day 1 we bought the tokens. In day 2 we put up the stakes, and it started earning on day 3. As you can see here, it says start, so it started earning on day number 3. So I bought tokens which are worth 9.826k. So just get this figure, 9.82, multiply it by 1000. So that those are the tokens, and we want to see this day how much each token was worthy by the end of the day. So to get that, we go to auction, then we look at the first day here. So let it load. So as you can see here, on that day we had 4.006 million Tron that came into the platform, and each token was worth 0.624. So as the days go on, this token goes on decreasing, as you can see here. So this one, I think this one, by the end of day, when this timer goes to 0, it will be less than this. So that's why I emphasize you guys, you get in early, you buy some tokens for yourself, because they are just getting cheaper. They are getting expensive compared to the Tron every day that passes. So if I'm to pull out my calculator here, remember we had the other value was, I'm going to be changing the other value. Let me go back to the stakes. The value was 9.828. If you multiply this by 1000, because it says k means 1000, so we shall get that's the amount of tokens that I got in. So we get this value. Oh, sorry. Let me just do it again. So it was 9828. So to get the number of Tron that I used to buy this amount of tokens, I just have to divide that by the value of the token by the end of that day. So you get that from the auction here. So it will be dividing it by 0.624. 0.24, this one here, we get that. So it means that I bought tokens worth 15,750 Tron. So, and if we are to compare that, this value here, with the amount of dividends that I've got so far, I'm going to switch back to stake. Let it load a bit. So these are the dividends I've got out of that. So they are 59,268.3 Tron. You can just imagine. I bought Tron worth this, and I've so far generated 59,263.3 Tron out of it, just in dividends, in just a space of 5 days, because this one started earning on day number 3. So it means it earned on day number 3, day number 4, day number 5, day number 6, and day number 7, because today is day number 7. So in a space of 5 days, I've earned 59,268 token Tron in dividends. And remember, I put up this stake for 10 days, so we have also other 5 days to go. So I've earned this out of this. Now to get the ROI, I have to get this value here and divide it by this value that I used to buy, and then multiply it by 100%. So let me do that. This is 15,750. Let me memorize it. So the other one is 59. This one 59268.3. Divide it by the other one was 15,750. We get that. We multiply it by 100%, which gives us 376.3%. So in other words, I've already, in 5 days, I've got 3 times what I put in on just one stake in just 5 days. So that's 376% ROI in just a space of 5 days. So guys, this platform is incredible. Bring your Tron here, you stake it for the number of days that you feel like, and remember, the more days you stake it, the more dividends that you get. So I'm having a strategy here. I'm staking these tokens. These ones I put up the stakes for 10 days, as you can see. These ones which I put them for just 2 days, as you can see, starting on the 7th day, but it ends on the 9th day. This is for 10 days, this is for 2 days, and this one is also for 2 days. So but I'm going to just be switching them like that, such that but in the long run, I'm going to put up stakes for some time which is higher than 10 days, like 15 days, 20 days, and 30 days, depending on what I feel like to do. So guys, that is the 376% ROI on just the stake I did on day 1 in DSP. So I'm leaving my link in the description. You can use it. You get 5% discount. And also, you guys who would like to use your links, you can put your link in the description of the video. I will use your link and you get the 10% off me. So I will see you guys in the next video. See you.